Hello everyone, my name is Joseph McPeak with Truebones Motions Animation Studios. Today we're going to show you how to use Unity's new Mecanim animation system. What I've done is I've created several takes of animation using mocap and put them all into one FBX file. Drag the FBX file into the Assets folder, and when you hit the little play button you'll see all the little takes inside. So all you have to do is select the one FBX. Here's all the animation takes, and go to Rig, put the root node on hips, and change the animation type to generic. Okay, now hit the Animations tab and then Apply. Okay, so now you want to bring a character in to use as a avatar in your game. So we are going to use the high-res zombie from Mixamo. It's free at mixamo.com or the Unity Asset Store. So click on the zombie picture, go to Rig, switch root node to hips, animation type to humanoid. Then come back over here, click on the box, hit Apply, and then when you click on the Animations tab you'll see a list of all the animations. So drag zombie over to the preview and you will see that the zombie is now doing the motions that are in the takes. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to create new takes based on default take 7 and call it zombie spin left, enter. Now press this button again and go zombie from iPie default take 7, zombie spin left, right, zombie spin right. So, and then make another one, hit the plus sign. From iPie default take 7 we are going to make zombie walk 1, make another plus sign and put it on default take 7 and call it zombie walk 2. Okay, so we're going to get 2 spins and 2 walks out of iPie's default take 7. So let's start with spin left. Okay, it looks like spin left is actually from iPie default take. There we go. So I switched that one to default take, so we need to rename it zombie spin right. Okay, so the same with this one. We're going to put this on 1 and name it zombie spin left. Okay, so let's see which was the first spin. It was spin left. So let's start the bracket right where that is. And there it is. So now we need to set the right bracket. Okay, the right bracket would be right about there. There's 2 greens and 1 yellow. So hit preview. Yep, that's really good. Now hit loop pose. So zombie spin left is done. Let's go over to zombie spin right and do the bracket for spin right. It's right about there. Check the lights over here. There's 3 yellows and 1 green. There's 3 greens, but we need a little more. So there's 2 greens and 1 yellow. So hit preview. There you go, loop pose. And now those are done. And now let's do walk 1 of zombie. So let's go down and find the first zombie walk, which is right here. So bring your bracket down to that red line. It's right about there. And then find as many good lights as you can for the end. Okay, there's 3 yellows. 2 yellows. 2 yellows, 1 green, 3 yellows. So hit preview. Oh, that's really good. So hit loop pose. So zombie take 1 looks like it's just about done, but I think I want to get it better than that. So let's go drag it right about there and then find a good end pose. Well, see how his right arm goes up? So let's get a good right arm up like that, and then find another good right arm up like that. Okay, so let's look at this. Oh yeah, that's perfect. So hit loop pose, and there's our first zombie walk loop. And now let's go to zombie walk 2. And find another good zombie walk. I like it where he kind of stumbles a little bit. So that would be right about, again, look how his left arm is up and his head is a little to the right. So let's bring the bracket down to frame 40 something. And then we need to find the end, which should be about, we're looking for 3 greens or as many greens as we can get. Oh, I thought that was 3 greens, but that's 2 greens and 1 yellow, and there's 3 yellows. So let's try 3 yellows. Oh yeah, so hit loop pose and see if it seamlessly goes. So that was pretty good. Let's see if we can get a little better. We're looking at his right arm, and there's 2 greens and 1 yellow. So 2 greens and 1 yellow looks pretty good. Let's try it like that. Hit play. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Okay, so we've created multiple takes out of the same motion set. So let's look for something else here. Let's look for, okay, this is we got run. Here's a nice Frankenstein walk. So let's hit the plus button and call it Frankenstein walk. Frankie walk. So let's find the beginning of the Frankie walk. Okay, so that was from iPie default take 7. So there's a Frankie walk, and then there's another Frankie walk down there. I think I like that one better. A little more head action. So start it right there. It's a frame 55 something. So bring it all the way down here to right there. And now we're going to set the end frame. We're already got 2 yellows and 1 green. So look for the end frame. There's 3 yellows, 2 greens. Let's go with 2 greens and 1 yellow. So we're going to see how this loops. Oh yeah, real good. So hit loop pose. Oh, it's a perfect loop. Okay, folks, so let's make one more. Oh, actually, we're going to call this Frankie walk because it didn't take when we switched the source take. Okay, so let's find something else interesting. He's tiptoeing through the garden. It's kind of a slidey walk. Okay, that's a bunch of stuff. Just gonna find one more. Okay, that looks pretty cool. So whatever this is, we're gonna call it. It's from Take Two. So let's make this, and we're gonna take it from iPie Take Two and call it Garden Run. So let's find the beginning. It's right there for his left foot. And we're going to use the lights to kind of guide us in. And there's 2 greens and 1 yellow. So let's preview that. And hit loop pose. So there he is running through the garden. Not bad. So that's how you do it, folks. You can do lots of animations from one take. And there's a waddle walk. Let's do the waddle walk real quick. Taking it from default 7. So let's call it from default 7. We're going to call it waddle walk. Okay, so find the beginning of waddle walk. Right there. See how his right hand is? Then we're going to find the end of waddle walk. See, there's 2 greens and 1 yellow. And 3 greens. Nice. So hit play. And there's a perfect loop of waddle walk for our zombie. Okay, so I think we demonstrated our point here. We now have all of these takes ready for the game engine. And this is really cool. There's no other animation system that allows this kind of editing. And it's a flawless system. Okay, I'm gonna make a hop out of this. So let's go hopping. Hopping zombie. Okay, that wasn't from take 1 though, that was from take 4. Yep. Okay, so from take 4 we have hopping zombie. 1 second. So just type hopping zombie. Whoops. Hopping zombie. Its source is from default take 4. And let's start the beginning. He's going to be hopping probably right about there, and find the end frame. Just going to be right about, let's use the lights. There's no other software that assists you in the way that Unity's Mecanim system does. So there's 2 yellows, and I think I can get another green. There we go. Hit play. There he's hopping. He has a little bit of a jitter, but that was just smoothed out. So there he is, hopping. Okay, folks, so I just wanted to show you a little more in depth of how this works. It's really fantastic. My name's Joe, and my website is Truebones.com, and I will be showing you more soon regarding the blend trees and how you can hook up an animation controller to create blend trees. Okay? Thanks a lot, folks. We'll see you later.